Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of importing a subscriber in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First, click on the Grow tab in the main menu. This section allows you to manage and add new subscribers. Next, click on Subscribers. This will take you to a list of your current subscribers. Scroll down and click on Add Subscriber. This option lets you add new subscribers manually or by importing them. You will see different options for importing subscribers. Click on Import as a CSV. This option allows you to upload a CSV file containing multiple subscriber entries. After that, you'll need to fill out the required fields for forms, sequences, and tags. These fields help categorize your subscribers and define how you'll engage with them. Additionally, drop your CSV file into the designated area. Click on Select or drag and drop CSV file. Then drag CSV file from your desktop. Then fill up mandatory fields like name and email. This file should contain the information of the subscribers you want to import, formatted correctly. Once everything is set up, click on the Import Subscribers button. In a short while, your subscribers will be imported into your email list. That's it. You've successfully added new subscribers to your account. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.